We just wanted to know where you'd felt that before. You know, you've got such a dirty look on your face. It's unreal. Go and have a wander. Go and have a wander round. Go and have a wander round, and then come back to me. No, I said wander around with it, play with it, and then come back and talk to me about it.
Right, we've got a little bit of B-roll there, and that was Kevin introducing his new rubbery product to some young ladies. Now I'm over with Kevin on the Sia stand. Sia are an abrasive company, and I think really Kevin can tell us all about it. There is a new product he wants to promote, so I'm going to do a quick swivel round. Kevin's just there. We'll do 1, 2, 3. Over to you.
I feel
5 minutes will be fantastic.
No problem. So I really just wanted to introduce the new Sia Strong 7988 totally flexible abrasive. Unlike your traditional papers, totally flexible, totally waterproof, and it's double-sided. The advantage of that being, of course, it means you can wash the product out. You don't have to throw it away when it gets clogged, which is typically what happens. You'll throw your paper away before it ever gets used, certainly on the core cigarettes. So with this product, again, handy sheet sizes. You've got a perforation there because it's so flexible. You've got a perforation there. So if you need to get into rebates and undercuts, it then gives you a stable edge to actually get in under those rebates. Again, I can't stress enough that you won't find another product more flexible on the market. Bearing in mind that's a 180 grit. Okay, if I did that with conventional paper, what would happen is you would tend to get grit shed, and it would start to peel away from the backing. Packed in 10s, double-sided, so that effectively, like I say, gives you, I know that's 240, but it gives you 20 sides, effectively 10 sheets. So, and again, that's available now and stocked in all Brewers branches. So I think the list price is about £10, 41 plus the VAT. So again, yeah, superb. And what's more, it's actually manufactured here in the UK. Manufactured here in the UK, what more could we ask? And it's solvent-free technology. It's water-based manufacturing. So we're ticking the box as far as the environment goes. Again, color-coded phones, simple idea, but innovation. We actually color-code it to give you your grades. So an instant recognition. I appreciate we can tell that and that just by the grit, but actually that and that gets a little bit more difficult. And if you're picking it up and you want a desired finish, effectively, we've got an instant visual clarification of the grading. So again, that's all unique to us.
Do you know what? You didn't tell me about the colour coding, did you, earlier?
No.
And that is something that is a proper USP.
Yeah.
I'll just mention, because we did speak earlier off camera, the flexi stuff that we're just talking about, if you can see on there, it is something that you can use in water, and you've not got to have any fear of it actually breaking down over a period of time. If you do leave it sitting in your paint kettle or your paint bucket.
Yeah, provided you don't put it in a chemical turpentine or white spirits or something like that. If you just leave it in water, totally
wash it up liquid.
Yeah, totally impervious. Like I say, it's latex. So it's closed cell. So unlike your traditional foams, it won't absorb water. You can try and squeeze that out and dry it out, but you've got to physically let that dry on a windowsill, unlike somewhere. This, you can just literally wash it off, shake it off, and you're away again. Yeah. You won't get anything running down and causing you problems. So yeah, it really is. Why not pop into store today and buy a pack?
Do you know what, Kevin? You say you're a little bit nervous going on camera. That was excellent. And hopefully over the next 12 months, I'll probably get my hands on some of this stuff, and you'll see me being used in it, and I'll give a feedback on my views on it as well. So thank you very much, Kevin. I'll take you on that. Brilliant.
Fantastic, Phil. Thank you.